reserving a property is an exciting milestone, whether for investment, future home use, or retirement planning. At Weecomm, the reservation process is designed to ensure transparency and proper documentation for all buyers. I've been a real estate broker for over a decade and have helped hundreds of clients with their real estate investments in the Philippines. Our realty, Truly Wealthy Realty, is accredited with the major developers in the country. So if you're interested in Intalio Estates or other pre-selling projects anywhere in the Philippines, let me help you out as well. Message me on WhatsApp to schedule a consultation. So this video is to help you and your clients navigate Weecomm's reservation process smoothly. Here, I'll explain the entire process plus all required documents pending on the client profile, whether the client is locally employed, self-employed, or an OFW. Step 1. Finalize the unit to reserve. The reservation process begins with choosing the specific unit you want to reserve and having this approved. So you can request for the official computation from the developer. Each unit in Intalio Estates has its own unique computation. This varies depending on the phase, location within the subdivision, lot size, and target turnover of that specific unit. Browse through the available units and identify the one that best matches your client's preferences and future plans. Whether you're aiming for a corner lot, a prime location near village amenities, or a particular house model that suits your lifestyle, your Truly Wealthy agent can help guide you in choosing the best unit for you. So your broker will assist you in checking real-time availability, can temporarily place your chosen unit on hold while you complete the required documents. This ensures that the unit remains reserved for you during the initial phase of the process, giving you time to review the computation, prepare your requirements, and proceed to the next steps without worrying about losing your preferred choice. Second is submit reservation documents. So once you've finalized the unit you'd like to reserve, the next step is to complete the reservation requirements. Your agent will guide you through every form and document needed to proceed. With Weecomm, they will provide a link called the Jot form. You will just click on the link and then fill it up based on the information that is required. You're also required to take a selfie, so the buyer will need to be the one to fill out the form. For the remaining requirements, such as identification documents or supporting papers based on your employment type, you may send clear scanned copies to your agent. They will compile everything and submit the complete requirements to Weecomm on your behalf. This streamlined process ensures that your reservation is properly documented and moves smoothly to the developer for review. Now, what are Weecomm's reservation requirements? So first is 3 copies of the fully filled up reservation agreement, signed final package, computation, Annex A, standard documentary requirements, checklist, check Annex B, copies of the fully filled up buyer's info sheet, letter of intent, photocopy of 2 valid government IDs or scanned copy of 2 valid IDs with 3 specimen signature on the side. So if you're an OFW, you will also need to input the details of your attorney, in fact, or your representative, as well as their IDs as well. Third is final verification and approval. After your broker submits the complete reservation package, Weecomm's marketing staff will review the documents to confirm your reservation request. Once verified and approved, they will issue the official reservation fee transfer instructions, including the exact amount, bank details, and payment online. This is the final step before your reservation is officially completed. Fourth, transfer the reservation fee. So at this stage, you can proceed to settle the reservation fee through your preferred method, typically via bank transfer, mobile banking, or over-the-counter deposit. Make sure to follow the instructions precisely, especially when indicating the unit details or your buyer's name in the transaction notes, as this helps the developer accurately trace and validate your payment. After transferring the reservation fee, immediately send proof of payment, a screenshot or scanned copy of the deposit slip to your broker so that we can forward it to Weecomm for acknowledgement. Once payment is confirmed, your unit becomes officially reserved under your name. And then you can proceed with completing the remaining requirements for booking. After reservation, the next step is to book your account. Weecomm requires full documentation within the following timeline. So for local buyers, it's within 30 days from reservation. For OFWs, it's within 60 days from reservation. Complete requirements fall into 2 categories. First is personal documents and income documents. So for the personal documents, you have to prepare proof of billing in the Philippines, birth certificate, sanumar if single, marriage certificate if married, or annulment, divorce, or any legal separation documents if applicable, death certificate of spouse if widowed. court order appointing legal guardian if buyer is a minor. And then we have income documents, and this is segregated by buyer type. So if locally employed, you just need to submit a certificate of employment with salary breakdown, payslips for the last 6 months, and your tax identification number, latest ITR with receipt, and bank statements for the past 3 months, as well as post-dated checks for your down payment to complete the whole equity term. And then for those who are self-employed, again, your tax identification slip. So we can actually help you get your TIN for you. And then latest ITR with receipt, audited financial statements for the last 3 years, business permit, DTI certificate, bank statements for the last 3 months, and then again, post-dated checks for the down payment. For OFWs, COE or certificate of employment with or your job contracts with salary breakdown, payslips for the last 3 months, again, your TIN, which we can help get for you, passport copy with arrival date, government ID, and SPA. So if you are based abroad, then you will need to have it consularized, but if you're able to travel to the Philippines, then you can have it notarized. Proof of remittance for the last 6 months, bank statements for the last 6 months. And then for corporate buyers, business permit and license, SEC certificate, articles of incorporation, secretary certificate, board resolution, valid IDs of corporate secretary and representative, developer and universal bank SPAs if applicable, bank statements for the past 3 months. If you want to invest in a unit at Intalio Estates, here's what you need to do next. If you're ready to explore available units or you'd like assistance in choosing the best option for your budget and timeline at Intalio Estates, send me a message on WhatsApp. We can schedule an online consultation where I will walk you through the updated inventory and available units. I'll send you all the forms or the link to complete your reservation. I'll explain the payment terms, current monthly promos, required developments, timelines, turnover schedules, and our team will guide you step by step to make sure your investment and your reservation is safe, secure, and meaningful. Or if you might know someone who might be interested in Intalio Estates, then refer them, share this video with them, or send me their contact details so I can reach out and give them the updated information. Referrals don't just help your friends secure great properties, they also strengthen the community we are building. Plus, each successful referral qualifies for referral fees, giving you a practical reward for connecting people to opportunities.